¿Qué tal amigos? Saul here from Decoding the Market, sharing more information about the Australian dollar, US dollar. I can see a good opportunity here to make a trade for these coming days. If the price touch this level and resistance price may come back to this trend line and test this price, and then if the price close above this trend line, price may go up and you can take your profit right up here in 0.7344, but you can keep your trade a little bit longer to expecting to touch this particular level. Let me add it to make it a little bit more clear, guys. And you can take a profit in this particular area because may the price have a resistance right here and continue touching this trend line to continue to the uptrend and maybe go right up here and touch this area. If the price start to get close this price, take your profit, guys. Don't wait until touch this area, because let me right up here, because you never know if the price is going to touch the highs at this particular time or not. If the price close above this level, is gonna be, I don't think it's gonna continue to the uptrend in that particular time. That's why I'm telling you guys that take your profit right up here or right in the middle of this area. That would be the best way to take your profit. And then we can take a look another option, because right here, as long as the price continue above this yellow line, the price may continue to the uptrend if the price finds support right up here. That is our trade for this coming week. If the price close below this yellow line, price may come back and touch this area. Let me make it clear for you guys. If the price touch and close below this EMA red line, the price may come back and touch this price. Let me put it right up here and come back right up here and touch this area. So right here we may take another trade to the uptrend. Okay guys, hope you are enjoying your week and getting ready for a very good profitable weekend. See you guys and see you in the next video. Hope you find something interesting in this video. Give a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, guys. Thanks.